right-hand side door.
Bathroom, you've got your vents here, your ribbons are next to the fire hose reel, and then your mini sets back. So keep that in mind, you're only allowed that sharp. Please don't test how sharp they are. Just keep your hands on the handle, there's no really just touch any of the shiny parts. Swing it around really nilly, or rub your thumb off the blade to test it. Just keep your hands on the handle all the time. I'm not too great with two hands. It will have to stick in the board if you get the points, but this is one hand, I'm a bit better with that one. So I do ask for someone nice who sits here and does the scoring for us while Thomas and I coach. Otherwise, outside the board is 0, inside the blue target is 1, the red is 3, and the 5, the bullseye is 5. The majority of the blade has to be in the circle for it to count that point. Otherwise, on the 5th row, you have an opportunity for the clutch, which are these green dots at the top of the board here. They're worth 7 points.